Monastery complex is located about 2 kilometers northwest of the village center. It is a 10-11th century structure. The choice of name has two bases according to the old tradition. The first is the name of the road, which connects the village with the monastery, and the second version as a sign of the early Christian hermit Neghuts of Alexandria, a temple of the Armenian Apostolic Church in the village of Arzakan. Neghuts Monastery was built in the 10th or 11th century on a hill overlooking the village of Arzakan, about 2 kilometers northwest of the village center. Closer to the village is another small church with a small monument. Three walls of the Church of the Holy Virgin remain standing, while the southern wall has collapsed. A portion of the structure supporting the dome remains, as does the single portal on the western wall leading to the church's nave. There are carvings in the walls that date back to the 13th century. Excavations. The village was founded in 5534 BC. It was during the time of Artaxerxes II, when the king admired the nature of that part and decided to open his summer residence there. Then the summer residence was destroyed. It became a village. In his honor, it was once called Astvatsatsin. Later, it became Arzakan. Previously, it was in the Kotayk Province of the Ararat world. The village's population cultivated wheat, barley, tobacco, hemp, sorghum, and melon crops from agricultural crops. The village had the following production facilities, which belonged to the indigenous local Armenians: 3 forges, 3 looms, 1 carpentry shop, 1 wool processing workshop. It also had an oil press in ready condition, the production capacity of which was 500 batmans of linseed oil production per year. In 1841, the village had 7 water mills, of which only 2 were in working order. All of them had one eye. The village had its own hydroelectric power station, which was founded by Ashot Vartanyan. Tourism is a field of activity, the study and development of which is one of the priorities of the national economy. Tourism occupies an important place both in the economic complex of the country, in regions, individual cities, and in the global economic system.